considered by some to be a global crisis, the overabundance of plastics filling
Plastic pollution has always been a major problem in our country. As you can see here, it is considered a global plastic crisis here in the world. Now, we are here to take a step forward to solve this global issue. Hi, hello there. My name is Muhammad Daniel Mazambari, and I am from Samoa.
And hi, my name is Muhammad Shahmi Yasin, and I'm also a representative of Samoa.
Now, the objective of our study, of our project, is simple. It is just to reduce plastic pollution that is now a major problem here in Malaysia, to make our earth more cleaner and much better place. Now, to solve this issue, we need to think of a way that it could become a useful thing. So we are mixing plastic, which is polypropylene and polyethylene, with something that also contributing to our pollution, which is sawdust. Now, in a bit later, Shami is going to be explaining what is sawdust, but for now, I'm going to explain. So polyethylene, polypropylene is a different mixture of plastic that is actually regularly used everyday life, like shampoo bottles, water bottles.
For your information, sawdust is a byproduct or waste product of woodworking operations, such as sanding, milling, or planing.
Okay, so now that I've told you what sawdust and polyethylene and polypropylene is, we need to decide what product do we have to make sure that it is very demandable and cost effective. Now in this case, Shami and I, we picked a portable foldable table. Now this table is actually very useful because it is usable for students to study and it is very cost effective. And so before we pick the best materials to mix with the sawdust, we need to do some tests first. So the first test we have to do is the hardness test. Okay, so right now in front of you, you will see a table of the ratios of the PS5 and the ES5 until 25, PS5 until PS25. Now, what is PS5 and ES5? So PS, it means polypropylene mixed with sawdust. ES means polyethylene mixed with sawdust. Now the 5 number explains the ratio of the sawdust. So ES5 means the percentage of sawdust is 5%. Now from here we're going to compare which is the best ratio. And me and Shami concluded that the best ratio for this is PS25. Now the reason being is because polypropylene mixed with sawdust, with the ratio of 25% of sawdust, makes the material actually a lot harder. It can be proven by showing this graph, which is the hardness test. We compared between the ES25 and the PS25. Now you can see clearly that the PS25 has much longer and harder material than the ES25. And so the hypothesis we can state that the higher the ratio of sawdust, the harder the material it gets.
Have been made, we can conclude that the use of combination of polypropylene and sawdust is the best way for us to control our waste, sawdust and plastic pollutions in Malaysia.
That's all from us. Thank you.